Okay, I got a lot of firewood gathered up. Some stuff I need to chop up. I'm going to show some of that with the tomahawks again. This is my trail hawk. Like I said, it was in the other videos. It's good for most of the logs and stuff we'll be going, but it's going to take a lot more time to go through something like this big log here. So I'm going to toss this aside for right now and go to its bigger brother, the well, this is just a big cold steel tomahawk. The name escapes me for a second, but it's a rifleman's hawk. That's what it is. But it's a lot more heavy. It's almost too heavy in my opinion, but for this purpose it does really well. You can chop through large logs pretty quick with it, and it's got a nice hammer attached on the back, so it's also a good one. I keep this one in my car most of the time, along with another trail hawk and a frontier hawk and everything. So we'll try chopping this up. It's going to be hard to do on the video here. Let's do this. That's kind of a dry log, but that's okay. It'll burn pretty well then. One of these smaller ones here, won't be too hard. Just about through. Whew. Good thing is, I'm going to do what I told you I did in the other videos. Flip it over, use the hammer side, and a couple good whacks on this, and it should break right apart like that. There's a couple logs. Of course, for these smaller ones like this, I may choose to leave them up, but I might, if I wanted to, I could just take them simply and cut them in half like such. So this is a rifleman's hawk. See if it throws any good. Well, kind of. That's hard to aim in the camera at the same time, and that's almost a little bit too far to throw a heavy tomahawk like this one. I'll try it from a shorter distance, see if I can get it to go. There we go. So that's the rifleman's hawk, heavy duty workhorse. I prefer every other tomahawk over it, but for some jobs it just it's nice to have a big heavy blade. I think I'll go back to my trail hawk now, but because it's a little bit lighter weight and easier to manage, and you can chop pretty efficiently with it too. I almost have more control with a lighter blade. It might take me a few extra strikes to cut through finally, but it won't be too awful bad. And I missed again.